guys, so I'm back with an album, and as you guys can tell from the title, you already know which doll this is, but I have no clue, as I'm unboxing this, of course. So let's get started, because I am excited to see which doll this is. Okay, let's cut this open. Oh! Junks. I took a wild guess. I took a wild guess and I guessed right. Oh yeah. The dino elf. Okay, that's adorable. Right? How cute is this? But like, how do I open this? Is there a... Oh no, it's just a normal. It's so cute. Okay, you guys know these dolls kill me. Oh my gosh. And this outfit. Oh, how cute is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a little thing that's attached. A little elastic thing. Oh, how adorable. Okay, this is beyond. Okay. Like, isn't this adorable? I will link, of course, the person that created this, and then the group leader. Ah, thank you, both. Oh, this is adorable. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Ah, okay. I can't even. He's too cute. I wonder how, let's see. Oh, I'd have to take him out the other clothes. We can and we will do it. Let's do it. Let's take the crown off. He's got a little angel wings. Oh. Oh, so cute. Okay, does he need his pants? I feel like he needs his pants. Or no? Oh my gosh, should I take his pants? Let's do this off camera. Okay, let me put him in here. Okay, this is going to be adorable. I can't. A dino little outfit is freaking adorable. Like, okay, let's get that in. Oh, his hands. This one should be here. Okay, and then the hood. Okay, let me just squish this in. It's going to be a little bit difficult. Hold on a second, y'all. I didn't want to squish him on camera. That would. Aww. Okay, let's put this. Ow. Oh, this is like painful. Ouch. Or it could be really weak. But okay, how adorable is this? This little and then Okay, this isn't that the cutest thing? Okay. That's so cute. I still can't get over these wings. Back of this outfit. Isn't that adorable? And the pants. And then the little dino crown. Ah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will link everything in the description box down below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below or reach out to me in any of my social media, which will be linked below as well. And if you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and join the fam, because we've got a lot, that's not even right, a lot of dolls coming in. I just don't know when, but there's always going to be dolls coming in. I'll see you guys in my next video.